art is a tribal art. Okay, it's a tribal art that is a traditional art of Maharashtra. Okay, our own state, Maharashtra. Okay, now in Wali art, there are very basic drawings which are used, very basic elements. Okay, which is very easy. Like you don't need any background in drawing, or you don't have to be a very good artist to do this. Okay, because this is done by tribal people who stay in villages, and they don't have anything which they can use. They have basic resources. They don't have many things which they can use. Okay, so this is like the basic form of art which is practiced by them. Okay, now Wali art, it is one of the oldest art form that is dated back to as early as the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, it is very old tribal form of art. During early civilizations, or early man used to make cave paintings. Okay, children of grade 3, 4, 5 and up, you have all learned about the cave paintings and the prehistoric paintings, cave paintings, right? Now these people in Maharashtra also, they used to do such kind of paintings, okay, which are very remote, primitive, basic paintings. Okay, so mostly they are not very perfect figures, but they show their lifestyle. There is a lot of detailing in it. Okay, now see, Wali art, actually many of them don't know about this art still, because it's it's a treasure. Any kind of art form is like a treasure. Okay, but we don't know about it. Now this is a wall that is painted in Wali art. Okay, we shall all be learning these kinds of art in the next 5 sessions. Okay, now it is a tribal art, as I told you, and it is practiced in Dhanu, okay, Palghar and these places in Maharashtra. Okay, now women, mostly women paint their houses. Okay, instead of painting the idols of God and all, they paint themselves. They paint what they do in their daily life. Like see here, you can see a painting where they have just shown what all activities they do. Mostly tribal people do agriculture, hunting, okay, fishing. So the same thing, like see dancing, there are ladies dancing here. Okay, this man here, he's playing an instrument, a musical instrument. Okay, these people are dancing with the sticks. Okay, trees, birds, okay, and then people carrying, they're doing all farm work. Okay, here there are birds which are eating grains, they're feeding on grains, a hut. So all this is a part of their life. Okay, now the concept and canvas means for Wali people, Wali is a tribal, okay, it's a tribe, it's a kind of tribe that is seen in Maharashtra, okay, in Palghar, which is very close to Mumbai, okay, just a few kilometers away from Mumbai. Okay, so they are people who worship the mother nature. Okay, so that's why they mostly make anything that is related with their life, okay, and the nature, plants, people getting water out of the wells, farming, agriculture, the daily house activities, hunting, all this, okay, and people dancing. Now many of us, when you look at art, you feel कि क्या है ये सब triangles, dots, कुछ तो अजीब सा drawing है, but then there is lot of detailing in it. You need to understand the art. Okay, it was a very beautiful art which you need to understand. And as citizens of India and Maharashtra, it is our duty to keep this art living. मतलब इस आर्ट को हमको पहचानना है और उसका आगे लेके जाना है, otherwise it will die. People will not know the speciality of Wali painting. Okay, now I shall stop the presentation here. The remaining part of the presentation we'll see in the next session. Okay, let us get on to work. You have your paper ready?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, you have the paper and pen ready, right? We need only a pen and paper, that's it. Okay, any pen. Now there are two windows. Yes, only pen and paper. Okay, there are two windows on which I am. You can pin any of the windows. Okay, I'm shifting my camera to the drawing. Okay, my drawing area. But you might see mirror image. That's why I have fixed up another phone camera also. So you can pin on any of those based on your convenience. Understood?
Pencil.
Yes.
You can do with pencil.
Yeah, you can do with pencil, but final work you have to do with pen only. Okay. Um, does anybody have any doubt? Are you able to see my screen properly? You must be seeing this part of it slightly like the mirror image. If you're not comfortable with this, go to my another profile window which is there. Okay, you can go to another same like Sheetal Dayavan by Sheetal Dayavan. There are 2 logins. Okay, you can go to the other one to see the camera view. Okay, so any of the views, whichever you are comfortable in. Okay, I've just written Warli Art on top. Okay, now today is our first session, so I've just put day 1 here. Okay, dots I will be showing you. These are simple dots which you people have been doing in your drawing classes. Okay, dots are mostly used for them. Instead of lines, they use dots also. Okay, so just make dots, proper perfect dots. Okay, don't make very big dots. They're very small dots in a line. Okay, or you can make dots one below the other. Okay, just make dots. I will send you this sheet again. Okay, once you finish with the class, I'll send you the sheet again. Okay. Now the second one is where you're supposed to do double dots. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 in 3 rows. Okay. Just simple dots. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. That's it.
Ma'am?
Yes. Okay. Now dots and squares. Dots in the form of squares where you can use 3 dots in a row. Okay, 3, 3 and 3. It has to be a proper square. Okay, now remember, you don't have to worry if it is going little crisscross. Okay, because Warli people, they are tribal people, so they do drawing like this only. It is not a perfect drawing. They have not learned any art. Okay, it is just what they feel, they express it on the walls.
So you have to write or draw that.
Yes,
We have to draw the second row and third row.
You have to draw all the rows which I'm showing you. Okay, you have to do one by one. As I'm showing you, you have to do along with me. Okay. Now this one, these are circular dots. Circular dots, how do you make? Make a circle in the center. One circle, the other circle at the bottom. One here and one this side. Okay. Do along with me so that you understand what I'm doing. Okay. It is simple, but then you need to understand the technique. Okay. Don't get confused. Don't do it haywire. Okay. Try to do little systematically. Okay. One dot over here, north, south, east and west. And then you have dots northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Okay, so that way you have to put dots.
What you have written?
I have not written anything.
That
Acha, in between, I have written that it is dots in squares, dots in lines, that kind of thing. What I'm making, I'm writing it. Okay, single dots. Then I'm doing double dots.
Upside down.
Yes, I've already told you that. No, I have another camera which you can switch on to see. There is another, with my same name, there is one more. Check in the list. There is another Sheetal Dayavan there. Okay, you can click on that and you will see it in correct manner, straight, without any mirror image. Okay.
And so we have to write in the ulta bulletin.
What did I say? I'm telling you to see now. I will switch off this camera. Then you check for the other name, and from there you pin that window. There are two windows. There are two windows in which one window is showing proper straight lines and everything correctly. The alphabets are all correct. Okay, so go to that window. Go to my phone camera. See in the list of participants, you will see Sheetal Dayavan. Apart from the host, there is one more Sheetal Dayavan there. In the list of participants, click on the other name and double click. If you double click it, you will see my window. Sanskriti, is there any issue, beta? Is there any setting problem? Yeah.
We have to draw with this.
You have to draw with a pen.
Only with pen.
Yes, directly with pen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Okay. Are you done till here? Are you done till here? The circular dots, as I told you, you have to put a circle, a dot here, and then one dot here, the other dot here, top and bottom, and then dots in between. Okay, that's how you have to do it. Then you have triangles, dot, dot, and dot. 3 dots, then 2 dots in between the 3 dots, and then 1 dot at the top. Okay, so that's how is the triangular one. Okay, 3 dots, 2 dots, and 1 dot. Okay, and then you have the diamond one. Diamond one, you have to do it this way. See, 3 dots, and then 2 dots, and 1 dot. Then again, you have 2 dots and 1 dot. Okay, so that will give you a vertical diamond. For a horizontal diamond, you have to do 3 dots like this, then 2 dots and 1 dot. Here 2 dots and 1 dot. Got it? And then you have big dots. Big dots where the dot size is slightly bigger than the earlier dots. Earlier you were making very tiny, tiny dots. Now these are slightly bigger dots. Okay. And then after dots, you have triangles. Triangles can be proper straight triangles, or you can make upside down triangles. Okay, either make this way or you can make upside down. The size of the triangles can be big and small also. Depending upon what kind of element you want to show, you can use this.
And today we are making the act 1, na?
Yes.
So what we making the shapes.
We are making the elements of Varli art. Okay, and then you have
Elements means
the parts of Varli art. What all different designs we use in Varli art, we are doing the basics of that. Okay, so let me know once you're done till the squares. All of you should be done. If you think you will do later, then I will send you a pic of this, seeing which you can do it. Yes.
what is the meaning of worldly art?
Varli is the name of a tribe. Okay, a tribe. Tribal people. Tribes.
Driver.
Tribes. Tribes.
Drive.
Yes.
What is the meaning of drive?
Adivasi. Tribes means Adivasi.
Adivasi.
जो जंगलों में
I
रहते हैं.
don't know what is meaning of that. Never heard this name.
Those are the people who stay in the jungles.
Yes. They are called Adivasi.
Concentrate on your drawing. In the next drawing class, I will tell you what it is. Okay, in our drawing class, I will tell you what it is. But now it is this class, so concentrate on your work.
Okay.
Are you all done with this? Let me know if you people are done with this. We will proceed with the next step.
No, we are not done. And can you bring your mobile little close?
No, I can't. It's fixed. You can check out my other screen. You can check out on my other screen. It is a close-up. There's one more screen now. Do you know the other screen which is there?
Ma'am, can you take little up page?
Yeah.
Yes. More up.
When did you begin? You should have been done it by now.
Yes. Ma'am, how you make the diamond shape? I just joined now. I took till triangle.
You should have seen, Anshuprat. You have to put 3 dots vertically like this. Then in between these dots, you will put 2 dots and 1 dot. 2 dots and 1 dot. Okay? I don't have place, so I had to just put it somehow inside. Okay? I'm showing you the other ones for those who ever have completed with this. I will forward these pictures on to you. Okay, I will forward these pictures in the group. You can see and do. Okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah, these are straight lines. Okay, straight lines are where you just have to do lines like this, continuous lines. Okay.
Okay.
And then there are parallel lines where you will be using double lines and then there is a gap. Okay, double lines and then there's a gap.
And
Yes.
can you take up
Which one?
that one? Oh, the other one. Straight lines, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you have to do straight lines and then after that parallel lines. Parallel lines means two lines and then there should be a gap, two lines again and there's a gap. Okay, so that's how you're supposed to do the next one. Okay, now
Okay.
the
But
next.
we can do the app.
Now all of you have done with the sheet 1, the first sheet which I have shown. Yes.
And
Okay.
I am doing the
Congratulations, done.
circle,
Pragya
triangle,
is done.
ये बातों में चली गई
Is also done. Who all are left for the first?
and I am doing the circle, triangle, and square one.
Okay. Now I'm putting up the other one also because I don't want the others to be waiting. Okay. Now these are plants, crops, and grass. Okay. Now Wali art is where these people mostly show activities which they do in their daily life. Okay, like agriculture. Okay, and hunting. Okay, other works, houseworks which the women do, the laborers work, fishing, all these things are depicted in Bali art. Okay, so most of the art form in this will consist of elements like plants, grass, and all this. Okay, so this is how they show the crops. If there are too many crops in line, then they have to just show height. Okay, now you don't have to be very perfect and it should not be in a line. They can be small and big also because crops also are not in a single line. They are not all to the same level. Okay, you just have to put a line and a dot on top of it. Okay, so they show this for crops.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, and then for grass and other crops, you have to do a curve like this, like you show grass. Okay, and then 3 dots here. Okay. Yes. Do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just mention that which is crops and grass and plants?
Okay, yes, yes. I have just, okay, this is for the grass. This is for plants. Okay, these are all flowering plants. Okay, now as I said, this one is just
Able to do
tree like this and dots.
can able to do dot.
Which dots are you not able to do?
That one circle one.
Circle dots. I already showed it. Now you have to put one center dot, one dot at top, one at the bottom.
Upper.
Which one?
That
Square dots. They're just 3 dots in a line and then 3 dots below that.
upper. That upper. Upper.
Okay, remind me in the next drawing class. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, now go with the class. See here, for this one, for the flowering plants, you just have to do, these are slightly bigger, okay? And then make the flower over here. The other 2 will be buds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This way. Okay? And then these are the buds. Okay? On both sides. Okay, now here there are variations. This one is a flowering plant. Okay, this one is a flowering plant. This is just a shrub, a small plant. This one, the first one. Okay, where you have to make similar to that of a grass and make circles here. Okay, and this one is where you have flowers in all the 3 branches. Okay, so these are the 2 variations that you can do. 1, 2, 3, and then you have flowers there. Okay. Now these can be made smaller and bigger based on your size that you prefer. Okay, the size of your drawing, and based on all that, you can make it accordingly. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can't make. You can't make.
Ma'am, that first one is flowering plant, na? And this second one,
First one, which? This one?
this one, yeah. This is
Yeah,
plant.
this is a flowering plant. All the 3 in this line
Flowering
are
plant.
all flowering plants. Okay, now this
Yes,
one is
and
just
the
a
down one?
shrub. Yes, this one is just a shrub. Okay, but these are
Okay.
again flowering plants which with flowers in all the branches. Okay, in the first
Okay.
one we did buds in the other 2. Okay, the other 2 are buds.
Okay.
Only the center one is a flower.
Okay.
Okay, now these are again simple plants. Okay, now here, this one is where I'm showing harvest. Okay, harvest means the crops which are cut. Okay, the crops which are fully grown and then they're cut and gathered. Okay, so to show harvest, collected harvest, they show bunches of these. Okay, they also show these for the branches of trees. Okay, now for this one, just make a curve and then you are going to make V shapes here. V shape, V shape, V shape. Okay, and make circles over here. There are two ways of making it. I have made both the ways here. See, this is where you just have to do V, V, V. Okay. In the other one, there is a variation. I've given more gap and I have put V's in between also.
And these are weeds.
You can show as weeds also. You can show as harvested crops also. Okay, you can show it whichever way you're comfortable, wherever you want to use the element, you can use it. Okay, once you learn all these elements, you can create your own canvas painting. Okay, you can create your own canvas painting.
Then we have to do a painting.
Yes, but you have to learn for that first.
And what is canvas? I always do painting.
You are supposed to keep yourselves on mute, all of you on mute. Okay, don't ask me anything that is not related with this. And all such doubts you can get clarified in your drawing class. Okay. Now this one is where you have a stem and you have leaves. Okay, so this is used for showing ferns and plants which have very tiny leaves. Just two dots. Okay. Now, okay, for this one I will tell you how to do it.
Can you show that one lines dot one? I'm
This?
doing it. Dot. No.
This one,
No.
this,
No.
then
That page.
the other page.
Yes. Dot one.
Okay, now pay attention to this one. This one is
I
where
have not reached here.
you have to do this like a curve and then put dots same as you did for the earlier one. Okay, the same one you have to do as you did for the earlier one. Okay.
And we have to
And you have to make curves. The curve has to be upward like this, upward curve. Okay. Another one is where you can do the same thing, but the curve will go the other way now. I have taken a curve upward. Now my curve will go downward. So it's up to you which one you want to use. Okay. You can use this for showing ferns or smaller plants.